friends, let's cook with some sausage and apples today. Are you with me? Welcome to the Silly Kitchen. It is apple season. I feel like apple season starts really early in the fall or maybe late fall because I see them all over the place, markets and stores, and all the way through winter you can get delicious apples. So I thought, let's add that into a savory dish because I'm a savory person. I don't know. I like all that stuff. For this recipe, I'm gonna be using Fuji apples. They happen to be on sale, so I grabbed a bag of them. We need some pork sausage, celery, onions, and I will show you the rest as we go to the skillet. You wanna make sure that your cast iron pan is nice and hot before putting your sausages on there so that you get a nice sear on the skin. Sliced celery and onions as well as 2 sliced Fuji apples are going into my pan. You're gonna just mix them all around and add in a little bit of apple juice for some of that moisture so we can start cooking down the ingredients. Some fresh herbs on there as well. And we're just gonna wait now, moving around our ingredients ever so often as everything cooks down and cooks out. Once your apples are starting to get nice and soft and you're seeing all that brown happening in your cast iron pan or your nonstick pan, you will get that, especially because that little secret ingredient of apple juice went in there. So all those sugars from the apple and the juice are gonna create that nice brown color and the flavor, especially with those onions kind of cooking out in there. I need to try this because it's sitting right in front of me. It is calling my name. Oh, cast iron is heavy, but I don't want to touch it because it's hot. I don't know why I lifted that up. I'm gonna show you a close-up of it so that you don't have to worry about me lifting it up. This is such a delicious dish. You can serve this with rice, with potatoes, with, you know, a nice little bun, but it has that sweetness and that savory kind of all together, which I love. As a variation, just to let you know, if you have apple cider instead of apple juice, that's a great option. Not cider vinegar, but apple cider like to drink. Also, fennel or leeks would be really great in this combination if you want to throw some extra veg in there. Shall we try this? Okay, I'm gonna have a little bit of sausage, a little bit of onion and apple. Actually, I want a bit of onion because look at that beautiful caramelized cup. Oh, I dropped another apple. Hold on, I'm gonna put it on top. It's hard to get a fork full for the camera. Oh, I drooled a little there. It smells so good. That sweetness and that caramelization really came out. I dropped an apple. What is it with the pork and apple combination? Gosh, that's lovely. And I like that the apples still have a bit of kind of crisp and chew on the inside. It didn't all go to mush, so make sure you don't leave it on the heat too long. That would be my only tip. Other than that, go eat, enjoy some apples, enjoy some sausage. Have a wonderful day, whatever it is that you're doing, and I hope to see you back on the Silly Kitchen again soon. Till then.